Hi, this topical talk's gonna show you how to join Roblox emergency response Discord server. First of all, go to your Discord and scroll down to this left-hand menu and click on this plus icon or add a server icon and click on join a server. In this invite link box, we will type the server link and the link is discord.gg /y capital Z F capital A K 6C and click on join server. Before you can talk, you have to verify your account, so click on complete and here scroll down all the way to the bottom and click on I have read and agree to the rules, submit. And now go to the verify channel and here just click on get started and here select verification method. I'm selecting Roblox via Roblox site, trust and click on visit site. And here if you're already using a Roblox account, you will get here your Roblox profile. Just click on continue or you can change your Roblox account by clicking here. And here scroll down and click on confirm and give access. And here you can see I've successfully verified. And now let's go to any channel. And here you can see I can type anything. So this is how we can join and get verified this server. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.